Si Papa P, Piolo Pascual.
Oo.
Ano, di ba meron silang pelikula ni Kyle Echari? The Ride ba yun? Oo. Tapos nag-press ko yata sila.
Ah, talaga?
Oo. Hindi ka
Ano
tayo
nangyari?
na-invite dyan eh.
Ay, kaya pala hindi natin alam yung nangyari.
Sa premiere night.
Ah, yes.
Dito kasi nagkaroon ng panayam kay Piolo.
Oo.
So, tinatanong siya tungkol kay Kyle, ganyan. O ayan, mga interview.
Not just my mentor niya, best friend daw talaga.
Actually,
Kasi talaga-
nung una, nung minsan magkasama kami sa Sagrado, sabi niya, Tol, okay lang ba if I say that you're my mentor? Nga, sabi ko, Tol, hindi mo ko mentor. I'm here as your brother, as your best friend. Pero, yeah, if you wanna call me that, but you are your own person. You know, he's very young, you know, still it's a long way to go, but, you know, I don't wanna call it that. Kasi parang, ang hirap naman nung pag nilagay mo sa utak mo na mentor ka, magtuturo ka. Ako, nag-aaral pa rin ako. I'm still a student, you know. Hindi naman natatapos yung pag-aaral natin at pagiging, estudyante sa craft natin. So, kung ano man yung nakikita nila, sana pulutin nila yung maganda and they learn from that and they go from it.
Nandun ka doon nung time nung down na down.
Ito
Because
yun.
of the
The reason why I had so much respect for the kid,
Mhm.
when that final scene was happening, was the day after his sister passed. So it was really a sensitive time in his life. It was really difficult because you have to control him because wala yung parents niya, nasa responsible person yung sila mag-isa dito. So I made sure that he was okay, that he felt loved, that he felt like he had people around him to comfort him, to make sure na everything will be okay. It was just close to home for him because yung very sensitive yung time na nangyari yun when we were filming. So guide ka na.
Wow.
Your acting revelation para si Kyle.
Wala naman kasi akong expectation sa kahit sino kasama ko eh. Pero ang sa akin, ang maganda doon sa bata is that yung willingness niya na maging open, hindi maging mayabang, but open to new learnings. And syempre, sa edad mo ngayon talagang lahat bago ka eh. So ito, bago yung role, bago yung kasama mo. So nakikinig naman siya at madaling matuto at nakita mo naman napaka-raw. Yun ang maganda pag yung kasama mo, you're on the same page and you know the intention of what you're doing and you give it your best.
Ay, oo. Ay, siguro na kaya natin tinatanong yan kasi di ba yung iba binibigyan ng mali siya. Yung
Oo
kay
nga.
Kyle saka kay
Oo
Papa
nga,
P.
correct. Kasi di ba minsan meron din sila mga biru-biruan.
Mga harutan nila.
Nakarutan nila
Oo.
na parang feeling na, ano ba itong si Kyle masyadong komportable? May mga ganon. Para bang nakalimutan na raw ni Kyle ang kanilang age gap. Oo.
Eh, pero sinabi na rin yan ni Kyle sa isang interview, di ba? Na parang yung kapatid si Papa P.
Oo, di ba nga, sinabi na nga ni Piolo can you be my mentor? Sabi ni Kyle sa kanya. Pwede naman siya best friend, buddy-buddy, di ba?
Yeah.
Ay, alam mo naman ng mga tao, hindi ba? 1 + 1 = 2. O, alam mo na, di ba?